Ah, here we go again.
Oh, wait. Hey, what's up, guys? Today in this video, we are going to be playing Mukbang. You get it? You get it? I think you get it. I think you get it, guys. It's Mukbang. Bang, bang, bang. I take you down there. I'm out of there. What's that? Cherry coke peanut butter.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
No, that's a motel. Sorry guys, there's no hope for me. I'm gonna be living out on the streets now. I know. Oh, all my homies out there, all my friends, all my homies. Okay, so yeah, we are in the game. Stop looking delicious. I'm gonna turn my volume down because it's to be too. That's too quiet. Guys, I might make a mukbang, like an actual mukbang video. Oh, what to order? I will order. I'll start off like small, like fried chicken. That's pretty small. I think I really like fried chicken. Fried chicken is pretty good. Up, down. Just so that you don't see my face, I will introduce you to the dip. Okay, I guess we're gonna dunk this into the spicy sauce. Oh, I forgot. Oh wait, I could just kind of. How do I go up there? No up key. Wait, there is an up key. Okay, okay. Get some cheesy sauce. Oh, one minute. Spicy sauce. Spicy sauce. I can make a mukbang. Oh my cheese is so yummy. Hey, nobody knows what it's like out in these suburbs. Nobody knows what it's like. Oh, cheese is so yummy. I had another recording, but that recording was being stupid and not funny, and stupid and not fun, and stupid and not funny, 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 and so. Yeah, it wasn't good because it was stupid and not funny. Wait, hold on. Am I still recording? Oh, you the universe, you fatty. No, I'm just. What the flip? No. Get me out! Get me out! Oh, they've trapped me in here. Oh. You didn't see anything. There's an owner of Valentine's. There we go. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine. Nope. This is mine. This is mine. Why can't I move? He's hacking my keyboard, guys. He literally hacked my keyboard, guys. Wait. How do I own this? I'm so confused. I'm rushing it. I think the noob is hacking my computer. Yep, he's hacking my computer. Dude. Hacking my computer. No, I'm spinning. No. Okay, I don't appreciate that. Why did I do that? I could just use it. This is mine. Oh. Hey, I'm watching you. Oh. No! Wait, what? Well, I'm just some Canadian chicken. Big man skin cheese. Oh, you guys are pretty fat. Okay, I guess that's a bye now. Bye.